Maintaining your Rheem Tankless water heater is not just recommended, it's essential for optimal performance and safety. Understanding why maintenance matters will help you protect your investment and ensure reliable hot water for years to come. Regular maintenance provides four critical benefits. First, it ensures peak efficiency, reducing your energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Second, it extends the lifespan of your unit, protecting your significant investment. Third, maintenance prevents unexpected breakdowns, ensuring you always have reliable hot water when you need it. Most importantly, it helps identify potential safety hazards like gas leaks or electrical problems before they become dangerous. Your tankless water heater contains sophisticated internal systems, including heat exchangers that can accumulate mineral deposits and air intake filters that collect dust and debris. These components require regular attention to function properly. Experts strongly recommend annual professional inspections, especially for units over 10 years old. Technicians can check warranty status, test gas pressure, inspect electrical components, and identify potential safety issues that homeowners might miss. Customer reviews reveal concerning issues including inconsistent water temperatures, reduced flow rates, unexpected malfunctions, and even safety incidents like units catching fire. These problems underscore why regular maintenance is not optional. It's essential for safe, reliable operation. Regular maintenance protects your investment, ensures safety, and provides peace of mind. Don't wait for problems to occur. Proactive care is the key to long-term satisfaction with your Rheem Tankless water heater. Proper maintenance of your Rheem Tankless water heater involves several essential steps that should be performed regularly to ensure optimal performance and longevity. The most critical maintenance task is descaling the heat exchanger. Mineral deposits from hard water can build up over time, reducing efficiency and potentially damaging your unit. You can descale using a commercial descaling solution or white vinegar. Flush the system according to manufacturer instructions, typically every 6 months to 1 year. The second essential step is cleaning the water filter. This filter traps debris and sediment that could damage internal components and reduce water flow. Third, clean the air intake filter regularly. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, reducing efficiency and potentially causing the unit to overheat. Fourth, regularly inspect your unit and surrounding pipes for any signs of leaks. Even small leaks can lead to water damage and reduced system efficiency. Finally, test the pressure relief valve to ensure your system doesn't overpressurize. This safety feature protects your water heater from dangerous pressure buildup. Remember, these maintenance tasks should be performed every 6 months to 1 year, depending on your water quality and usage. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance, extends your unit's lifespan, and maintains your warranty coverage.